Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this very low maintenance eye tutorial for the spring and summer. In the next short couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how to keep your eyes big and bright using only a few shades from the Morphe 350 palette. So keep watching. So as you can see, my eyebrows are already filled in and my eyelids are already primed. First, I'm going in with this really light shade as a translucent color. So this is going to be a little bit under my brow bone. I'm going to work that in from the outside all the way towards my nose. Next, I'm taking a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to buff that shade in there really good. Now I'm taking this really warm medium brown shade, and underneath of that transition color, I am blending this. So it's kind of sitting on top of my crease a little bit, but I'm blending from the outside all the way towards my nose. Now I'm taking this darker warm color and I'm putting this right into the crease. I'm not working this all the way towards my nose. Next, I'm taking this shimmery, pinky, iridescent color, and this is going to go all over my lid. Next, I'm going in with In the Village's felt tip eyeliner. This is my absolute favorite eyeliner ever. I cannot use anything else. You can create a very thin line. You can create a very thick line. It's perfect for any type of wing, and it's really, really easy to use. So that was the felt tip liner from In the Village. Next, I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara on my eyelashes. I'm just prepping my eyelashes for false lashes because I feel like I can never not have them on now. So I'm just going to pop these falsies right on. And then I'm just going to do a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes and kind of call it a day.